Okay, this is Said speaking. We bought a machine from DXTECH for laser cutting machine, 3 kilowatts, included the pipe cutter machine and laser welding machine, 2 kilowatts. Since 2 years ago, we are working with the machines. We bought the machines during the COVID virus, but we have a problem to communication and going some engineer of China to come our factory, and after that we decided to get a service from the DXTECH company by internet. We chat with the engineer and provide a group by WhatsApp. They help us for running the machine and commissioning, installation. We could install the machine with helping of the engineering team in the DXTECH. And since 2 years ago, we are working with the machine. We are satisfied and solve some troubles, some problems solving, and they solve the softwares when they connect by internet. And we are satisfied from DXTECH, and we are going to buy the another machines. Thank you.